In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink PSN account in Genshin Impact. We'll walk through a simple email-based request to the official support team. This is the safest path because account links are handled on their side and policies can change. So going through the official channel ensures your request is reviewed correctly. Start by opening your browser and searching for the official Hoyoverse support information. Look for the verified official site so you know you're in the right place. On the site, navigate to the news or support section where they list contact details for account assistance. You're looking for the official support email address dedicated to account help. Once you see it on the page, copy that address exactly as shown. Avoid using addresses you find on forums or social media. Always copy it directly from the official site to prevent sending your request to the wrong place. Now open your email service. I'll demonstrate using Gmail, but any email provider works. Click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, paste the official support email address you just copied. For the subject line, keep it clear and concise. Something like Unlink PSN account works well and helps the support team route your request quickly. In the body of your email, explain your request in a straightforward, polite way. State that you want to unlink your PlayStation Network account from your Genshin Impact account. To help support verify ownership and process your case faster, include relevant details that are safe and appropriate to share, such as your in-game UID, your server region, your PlayStation Online ID, the platform you play on, and a brief description of why you're requesting the unlink. If you've encountered an error or changed platforms, mention that. Keep screenshots ready if they ask for them later, but don't attach anything the site doesn't request. Also, do not include sensitive personal information like passwords or security codes. Support will never ask for those. Before sending, proofread your message for accuracy and make sure the To field and subject line are correct. When you're satisfied, click Send. That's it. You've submitted your unlink request through the official channel. From here, the support team will review your case and let you know what's possible based on current policies. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder for their response, and be ready to reply promptly if they ask for additional verification. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move forward with your Genshin Impact account.